Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase bring the latest in our Wagwan entertainment and dancehall news. And me a remind you to click the subscribe icon, the bell icon, and to leave a like and a comment on the vlog. Now, viewers and subscribers, these two latest tracks from Vybz Kartel and Masicka have me a look forward for the next Vybz Kartel and Masicka feature, viewers and subscribers. If you now wonder which two tracks me a talk about, the rhythm of TJ dropped recently called Traffic. Vybz Kartel have a track on it titled Can't Trust. And Masicka have a track on it, people, titled That's People, viewers and subscribers. And in a Vybz Kartel track, Can't Trust, him point out, me would say, the situation. And Masicka, on theme track, me that say, point out theme solution when him faced with the situation where Vybz Kartel at about, viewers and subscribers. Now Can't Trust, Vybz Kartel definitely do it. We know him for paint a vivid picture why him believe in this day and age. You can't just trust. And as I'm say, big up Vybz Kartel, him always make relatable music. That track here is something where people can relate to right across the diaspora, right across the world. Whether you're rich or you're poor, you have situations where, you know what I mean, you might put your trust on somebody or something, and it not work out the way you feel like it will work out. In our line, Vybz Kartel say even the same dopey where your birth will haunt you. I would see the metaphor within that statement. And basically, I say even when you as a parent have children, even your own children might end up become obstacles in your own journey, viewers and subscribers. Masicka in a theme track titled That's People. Masicka say, yo boy, basically that's people. You can't change them. Him say theme remedies, him buy him vehicle, him change him girl, him keep focused on something else, because that are people. And you can't change them, viewers and subscribers. Masicka track definitely sounds inspired by the Vybz Kartel track. And as we know, a TJ produced the Vybz Kartel album. Big producer, big up yourself, TJ. So we know, say, yo, Masicka is definitely a big fan of Vybz Kartel. That's public knowledge. The last time we hear them link up on a track, it never normal. My dog them have to live. Even the part where you po became a very iconic part of the track. The track was definitely a big track, viewers and subscribers. As I say, the way Masicka formulate theme track Panda rhythm here, and the way Vybz Kartel formulate theme track, yo, it does remind me of when they did feature on the same track the last time, viewers and subscribers. And me I look forward to it again, because as an artist, Masicka definitely hold him own on the feature. When featured with Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, all we are look forward to see the next artist do I hold them on. Because on a track with Vybz Kartel, yo, even if Vybz Kartel just give a chorus, people are going to readily gravitate to the chorus. People just want to know, say the next artist will feature on the track, I hold them on. And you know, them have lyrical composition when them put out for them verse too at the same time. People can say, yeah, man, me hear some metaphors and some similes in a theme verse. Him definitely hold him on. Masicka proved that, viewers and subscribers. Masicka has definitely proven that. As I say, I look forward to hear a next feature from Vybz Kartel and Masicka, just to how them two track a sound. You know what I mean? And big up all other artists on the rhythm, a whole heap of other artists on the rhythm. From Chris Martin to Popcorn to Quadra to DeMarco. Whole heap of name, you know what I mean? Whole heap of name on the rhythm. It's a big rhythm. I like how it mix and master. TJ always mix and master some good rhythm, viewers and subscribers. As I say, in my personal opinion, them two track are my favorite track. Half of the rhythm right now. Yeah, Can't Trust and That's People. And we have to point out, say, a Masicka third release this, viewers and subscribers, in a, me that say about 8 days. Yeah, some people hear Living Legend late. So, you know what I mean? They might hear Living Legend and then they hear Jug Lord, and now they might hear, you know what I mean? That's People. Third release. It's a good look. Definitely I put out the music, viewers and subscribers, because the fans them love that energy there. The fans them always look for hear something new. You know what I mean? Something new for add to them playlist. Something new them can go purchase on iTunes. Something them can go bounce on the car. You know what I mean? Yeah, on the beatbox them in the streets right now. You know what I mean? So it's a good look when the artists them continuously put out hits. You know what I mean? So that the fans them can say, yo, alright, that drop, something else a drop soon. And at the end of the day, an entertainer's job is to entertain. And these 3 tracks when I say Masicka drop recently, all of them paint a different picture And them I do extremely well for the artists as well. Living legend, I paint a picture of a different situation. Drug lord, I paint a picture of a different situation, even though somewhat similar to living legend. That's people, different situation as well. So, you know what I mean? It's always good to hear an artist's perspective on different situations. You know what I mean? How them view it and how them articulate themselves when them talk about it, viewers and subscribers. And Masicka do extremely well. You know what I mean? As I must say, no surprise the Vybz Kartel find it. That should be no surprise to nobody at this point in time. Me just say now, at this stage in the Vybz Kartel career, Vybz Kartel only make its viewers and subscribers. All of the songs them are hit. Even the song them a trend right away. When you look on the views, you look on the reaction, you look on the likes. When you hear the radio play, when you hear the different places in the world where the song them a play, you say, but wait, that song I hit in Africa, that song I hit in Europe. So at this point in time, I say Vybz Kartel only make hits, viewers and subscribers. What I still have to big up the artist for do is always not just painting a vivid picture, but also making relatable music. Whole heap of people put out songs. You have whole heap of songs right now where enough people are sing, but them can't relate to. Them not live the lifestyle. They have never been in a them situation there. You know what I mean? But the song them so nice. The rhythm them bad. The way the lyrics them put together. People, it catchy. People like it. Them gravitate to it. Them listen it. Them play it pan them thing them. But at the same time, teacher also find a way to make music where you, as the listener, can relate to. Maybe you not go through the situation, but you hear about the situation. Or the situation just sound very, very plausible. So, I have to big up the teacher for that. Always I make relatable music. Even if the first couple lines and something where you relate to, before the end of the song, you might say something where you at least relate to or it sound familiar to your brain. Yeah, I have to big up the artist for that. Even when other people touch the topic already, when Vybz Kartel touch the topic, it got different. If the rhythm did have everybody on the rhythm at all about the same thing, Vybz Kartel song would have still stand out because the way him that put theme thing them together. You know what I mean? The artist is just that talented. We have to say that. So it's no surprise them find the hit on it. You know what I mean? We are point out the facts say, yo, the hit sound like it directly inspire Masicka track viewers and subscribers, and for some reason it just have me a look forward to a next feature, whether a TJ gonna put it out or a next producer, I don't know. But the whole world say the success. My dog them have to live. So, you know what I mean? I not say why them wouldn't put out a next feature. Yeah, so viewers and subscribers, if you look forward for your next feature from Masicka and Vybz Kartel, drop in the comment section, man. Talk, man. Let me hear what your reviews, what you feel like, what you like about the two track. If you see the correlation with me, I say. If you see the way, Masicka track really do sound like, you know, the way, him with that angle the situation. Vybz Kartel a point out the situation, say, more while I can't do trust. And Masicka say, that's people. A reality, that is people. You can't really change them. They are going to do them own thing. You know what I mean? Everybody them own individual motivations where them a do. What them a do. For everybody them own reason why them do what them a do. You know what I mean? So you can't change them. Masicka definitely right. Vybz Kartel definitely right as a matter of fact too as well. You can't do a trust everybody. You know there's something go already, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? As I'm telling you, a very relatable topic. Very, very relatable topic. Big up the teacher every time anyway I'm stand up, you know the thing go. God's a reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. As I said before, leave a like on the vlog from your like where you hear. Remember, man? Consistently putting out good music. Teacher do it. As I'm tell you, Vybz Kartel one of them artists they work with so much different producers that at any given time you can just hear different singles that power out from different producers. And the whole of the track them a medal. That's not easy to do. Work ethic stand out. Different from the average. We can't go around that. Yeah, Vybz Kartel thing, different viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. So, viewers and subscribers, as I said before, drop in the comment section. I know why your views on the whole situation. If you like the rhythm, if you like the track them. If these two artists are your favorite songs on the rhythm, let me know what your favorite song as I'm tell you say, yo, from Christopher Martin to Popcorn to Quada to DeMarco to whole heap of other names. Depend on the rhythm, viewers and subscribers. Plus we have a whole heap of other things for mix and master to same way. So, you know what I mean? Tell me what you feel about the rhythm. As I'm say, my personal opinion is that the Masicka, the Vybz Kartel track, my favorite on the track right now, and because it sound like, you know what I mean? a situation and a solution. So drop in the comment section, viewers, leave a like on the vlog, you know what I mean? Click the subscribe icon, click the bell icon and stay notified that all our Jaden Chase are put out on the platform. And to the reason again, viewers and subscribers, I say live, love and prosper. And I'm out.